Hi dear medical students, today I'll tell you about anatomical planes. Anatomical descriptions are based on four imaginary planes: median, sagittal, frontal, and transverse, that intersect the body in the anatomical position. The median plane, median sagittal plane, the vertical plane passing longitudinally through the body, divides the body into right and left halves. The plane defines the midline of the head, neck, and trunk, where it intersects the surface of the body. Midline is often erroneously used as synonym for the median plane. Sagittal planes are vertical planes passing through the body parallel to the median plane. Parasagittal is commonly used but is unnecessary because any plane parallel to and on either side of the median plane is sagittal by definition. However, a plane parallel and near to the median plane may be referred to as a paramedian plane. Frontal coronal planes are vertical planes passing through the body at right angles to the median plane, dividing the body into anterior front and posterior back parts. Transverse planes are horizontal planes passing through the body at right angles to the median and frontal planes, dividing the body into superior, upper, and inferior lower parts. Radiologists refer to transverse planes as transaxial, which is commonly shortened to axial planes. Since the number of sagittal, frontal, and transverse planes is unlimited, a reference point, usually a visible or palpable landmark or vertebral level, is necessary to identify the location of level of the plane, such as transverse plane through the umbilicus. Sections of the head, neck, and trunk in precise frontal and transverse planes are symmetrical, passing through both the right and left members of paired structures, allowing some compression. Anatomical body planes and directional terms. Here we can see transverse plane. Here we can see medial lateral plane, frontal and coronal plane. Here we can see sagittal plane, which is going from anterior to posterior, like a sagitta. The main use of anatomical planes is to describe sections. Longitudinal sections run widewise or parallel to the long axis of the body, or of any of its parts, and the term applies regardless of the position of the body. Although median, sagittal, and frontal planes are the standard most commonly used longitudinal sections, there is a 108 degrees range of possible longitudinal sections. Transverse sections of cross sections are slices of the body, or its parts, that are cut at right angles to the eye longitudinal axis of the body, or of any of its parts, because the long axis of the foot runs horizontally. Transverse sections of the foot lies in the frontal plane. Here we can see sagittal plane, frontal plane, and transverse plane. Oblique sections are slices to the body of any of its parts. that are not cut along the previously listed anatomical planes. In practice, many radiographic images and anatomical sections do not lie precisely in sagittal, frontal, or transverse planes. Often they are slightly oblique. Anatomics create sections of the body and its parts anatomically, and clinicians create them by planar imaging technologies such as computerized tomography (CT) to describe and display internal structures. Thanks for your attention today. Today we've talked about anatomical planes, and I think this video was very useful for you. Subscribe for my channel. See you at the next video.